Alright everyone, here's all the trains by Causeway this week. All in all, it has been another insane one. So the first train in this video is CNA 451, going from Toronto to North Bay. It was led by 8833 with a really awesome sounding P5 horn. And trailing second is 8832. Hey, that's the brother unit, LOL. And that has 118 freight cars, including an old GO Transit coach. That coach is going up to North Bay to be refurbished. And that being 2134. And oh yeah, 484 axles as well. And now here's the hotbox detector.
CN detector, Bala, 4-7. No alarms. Temperature 0. C. Total axle 4-8-4. Speed 3-8.
The next stop is at the Davis Drive crossing in Newmarket. But before I show you that train though, here's a small update about the crossing with the pedestrian gates. Alright, we are back at the Davis Drive crossing just before the Newmarket GO station you can see here. And the pedestrian gates are still not working. The lights are still tarped, you can see. Except for this pair on the other side of the tracks. You can see them, but they are turned the other way. So I guess the tarps must have fallen off. I'm surprised that they didn't make the lights work yet. And the only crossing that I know of so far that has working pedestrian gates is the King City GO station. I can't remember the road before, but that crossing before the GO station that now has working pedestrian gates too. How do I know? Well, that Canadian Railfanning actually Railfanned at that spot not that long ago. So yeah. So we're going to be seeing this GO train here. I'm going to pause over now until it shows up, so see you in a bit. So the train I saw here is GO 6919 heading north from Toronto to Barrie. It was led by old cab car 254 with a really awesome horn. And the engineer gave me a horn salute too. and pushing it is 637, and that has 10 passenger cars. You see what I mean? They should honestly have a pedestrian gate work here. Like honestly, a person just walked in front of a train. Where the train was going around the corner, a person walked in front of a train. Like wow. Really unsafe there. Anyways, I will pause over now until I see the next train. I'll see in a bit. Now moving to Albert Street, here is CNQ 105. Going from Montreal to Vancouver. It was led by 3810, which the engineer gave me a K5HL horn salute. And for a rear DPU, it's 2849. And that has 130 rail cars. Not long later, along came an interesting CN A451. This time it was led by 8882. Trailing second is 2549, which doesn't have a CN logo at the front doors. Trailing third is 2568. And trailing fourth is a MPRX EMD SW switcher, and that being number 6. And that has 104 freight cars. The next train I caught is CNX413, an Extra 1 mixed train going from Trotter to KPO, but it only runs when it's needed, and that's rarely. It was led by one single GFO, and that being 3067 with a really awesome sounding K5 HL horn. This is the 21st time that I've seen a single locomotive pulling a train by itself. Anyways, X413 has 61 freight cars and 250 axles. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then please make sure to give it a really big thumbs up. And now here's the hotbox detector.
CN detector, Bala, 47. No alarms. Temperature 0 C. Total axle 250. Speed 34.
The next train I caught is CNQ107, going from Brampton to Winnipeg. It was led by 2-9s, and that being 2594 with a really powerful K3L horn. And trailing second is 2624, and that has 96 rail cars. The next train I caught is CNG 874, which I caught unexpectedly. A southbound grain train going from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan to Quebec City, but it only runs when it's needed. It was led by 2884, and for a rear DPU it's 3336, an AC44C6M rebuilt -9. It was originally 2567. And that has exactly 100 grain cars. And he was really flying through here. The next civilian train that I caught is another Siang Q107. This time it was all EMD power, and that being 5616, which is a SD70i, and it has a really weird setting P5 horn. And trailing second is 5769, a SD75i, and 107 has 94 rail cars. And there goes Siang Q107 heading north with a SD70i reader. Like, wow. This is a really great way to end up this video here, that's for sure. Like, wow. A lot of interesting catches we had this week, especially with that one. Like, wow. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed all the trains that I caught we had this week. Like, holy man, this week was definitely was insane for the Bala sub. And I really want one too. The weather is definitely starting to feel like spring, you know. The weather is getting warmer. There's not a lot of snow on the ground anymore like this. Like, wow. The weather is definitely starting to feel like spring. And I cannot believe it's warm for us this week too. I'll honestly take that over the really cold weather and the snow. So yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed all the trains that I caught, you know what to do. Please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and have a wonderful evening. And that will be it as usual. See you later, guys. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this Railfanning video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya, guys!